In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do crossfade in Spotify. To start, open the Spotify desktop application on your computer. Look for the familiar green circle icon with three curved lines, usually on your taskbar, dock, or desktop. Once it opens, you should see the main Spotify window with playlists on the left, the current track information at the bottom, and the main content area in the center. Make sure you are logged into the account where you actually listen, so your changes match the music you play later. Now choose Settings. In the desktop app, the Settings area is where Spotify keeps all your preferences for sound and playback. When you enter Settings, the main view will switch to a long list of options grouped into sections, and you will be able to scroll through them. If you do not see anything different at first, give the app a moment, because sometimes the Settings view takes a second to appear. Next, scroll down to the Playback section. As you move down the page, you will pass other groups of options, like account and language, until you reach Playback. The Playback heading will be slightly larger and bold, with several sound-related controls listed under it. This section controls how tracks behave while they play, including gaps, volume behavior, and of course crossfade. A quick tip here, if you ever change something in this section, Spotify usually applies it right away, without any save button. Once you can see the playback section, turn on the switch for Crossfade Songs. The Crossfade switch will sit next to the label that says Crossfade Songs, and it will look like a small toggle that can be off or on. Click it once so it moves to the on position and often changes color. As soon as you turn it on, the option underneath becomes active, and Spotify will be ready to blend the end of one track into the start of the next instead of stopping one song completely before starting another. Beginners sometimes forget to actually flip this switch, and then the slider below does nothing, so make sure the toggle is clearly on. With crossfade enabled, drag the slider to set your desired overlap time in seconds. You will see a horizontal line with a handle you can slide left or right, and numbers in seconds, like 1, 5, or 12. Moving the handle to the right increases how long the two songs overlap, while moving it left keeps the mix shorter and tighter. As you adjust it, the number next to the slider updates, so you can pick a precise overlap that suits your style. For example, a short 2 or 3 second crossfade keeps transitions quick, while 8 to 12 seconds can create a smoother, more continuous mix, especially for playlists that feel like a single long session. Spotify remembers this setting automatically, so any playlist you play from now on will blend according to the number you just chose. You have now turned on crossfade in Spotify and set exactly how long your songs blend together. If this helped your playlist sound smoother, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick Spotify tips.